Many clients ask me which road in Dubai land is truly premium and why. And I always say that infrastructure shape real estate. The upcoming Dubai Blue Metro line, which will run through Dubai land and connect to Zayed bin Hamdan Road, is a game changer. For the first time ever, residents here will enjoy direct, rapid transit to the city business district, airports, and entertainment hubs. Luxury communities such as Acres by Meraz, Athlon by Aldar, Arabian Ranches 3 by Imar, and Garford will change the structure of this road. But infrastructure alone is not enough. It's the communities riding here that will define the character of this road. Athlon by Aldar, which is a wellness and activity driven villas and townhouse community, along with the Arabian Ranches 3, a branded community by Imar, continuing to be one of the Dubai most prestigious addresses with luxury villas and branded residences. Along with this, Garford by Majid Al Futtaim to be the Dubai first true forest living destination, which is cooler, greener and healthier, and Acres by Meraz, which offer up to 45% of green spaces. Together, these are not just housing projects, they are the lifestyle anchors that elevate the entire belt profile. When premium communities align with the major infrastructure, value rises. That's the Dubai story we have seen in downtown, Marina, Business Bay and DIFC, and it's repeating here. The Blue Metro Line station slashes the commute time, luxury developer brings wellness, green living, branded residences and green communities. Family and investors attracts to the communities with metro access and prestige location. Zayed bin Hamdan Road is now at the intersection of all three: location, lifestyle, and connectivity. Fast forward a few years and imagine this corridor, three-line avenues, luxury communities, fully alive, metro station buzzing, retail promenade, and seamless access to the rest of the Dubai. This is what will transform Zayed bin Hamdan Road into Dubai Land Premium Belt, a zone where lifestyle meets connectivity and where early investors stand to benefit the most out of it. If you wish to explore the communities and the option on Zayed bin Hamdan Road, contact me now, because Zayed bin Hamdan Road is not just the road, it's the Dubai next premium destination with the best connectivity across Dubai.